Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie Ace here. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. In this video, what I'm going to be talking about is a business called EPS, otherwise known as the Email Processing System. Now let's get to it. So, before I start talking about EPS and what's it all about, I first want to put a disclaimer out there. Now, this video is based purely on my opinions, my views and my experiences. At no point should you be basing your decision on what I'm saying, okay? I urge you to make your own research, carry out your own due diligence before making any form of decision. But yes, this is just my opinion, my views, but I'm hoping that you're going to get massive value out of it anyway. So that's all the stuff out of the way. EPS, what's it all about? You know, is it a real business? Can you be really making money out of it? Or is it just a big fat scam? Those are just some of the questions that I'm hoping to answer in this video. So EPS, how does it work? Well, basically, the way it works is that you are going to be promoting the business by posting ads on various different social media networks. And then the aim there is really to get them to a website, so that's to get referrals or prospects onto a website where they will then purchase a selection of products, and off the back of those products you will receive a commission. In a nutshell, that's basically how the email processing system works. Now you're probably thinking, hold on a second, that doesn't sound like an email processing system, and that's where the whole scammy, if that's even a word, piece comes in, right? Now, why is EPS labelled a scam? Now, with any online business, there is going to be an amount of negativity surrounding it, right? Because it's either going to be labelled too good to be true, and it's going to be labelled a scam. Now, I believe the reason why this particular business has been given that reputation, unfortunately, is because there are people that are part of this business that have also been mis-selling the business just for their own personal gain. Which is kind of crappy really, because it makes it a lot more challenging for us guys who are generally in this business to make a honest income. It makes it difficult, but the way they're mis-selling it is that, you know, they're basically, you know, there are people out there telling people that all you need to do is post out a few ads and you get paid, or you just need to process a few emails and you get paid. You know, EPS doesn't work that way. That's the first thing. And I think when you start delivering or communicating the business that way, that's when it starts to get confusing, and that's where it becomes labeled a scam. You know, I don't even use the words email processing system. I don't use that because by using that terminology, I think it gives that message that it's kind of a data entry type of job, you know, that you're processing emails and getting paid for it. You know, it just isn't that business, and which is why personally I don't I don't promote the business that way. I don't even use those words because I just feel that's misleading. You know, there are lots of people out there that are kind of being, you know, untoward about it and just not being honest about it, and you know, that's unfortunate. But that's the reason why there's this whole scam message. So when you do your due diligence, like I urged you at the beginning of this video, you will see that it's been labelled a scam. But that's only because people are expecting that, you know, to be just posting a few ads and they're making money. You know, their expectations have been managed incorrectly, and as a result of that, this business has been labelled a scam. So no, this business isn't a scam. That's the first thing. That's my view. That's my opinion, and that's what I truly believe. Can you be making money from the business, and how do you make money? Well, as I said at the beginning, your aim is to drive traffic to the website. Once you know they hit the website, your prospects or your referrals, once they hit that website, the website will do the rest. Now, this website has a 85% success rate. Okay, so the selling piece is done once they hit the website. Okay, all you need to focus on is really just marketing and promoting the business, and that's how I break it down to anyone joining the business. And that's, you know, that's what you need when you join the business. You know, there is an element of sales in it, there is an element of marketing involved, there's an element of networking involved. You know, You don't need to have experience in those things, because we give you the training, we give you the coaching and the tools to be able to do all of those things. But that's a real business. Any business out there requires those three things, right? Sales, marketing, and networking. This business is no different to that. And ultimately, that's what you're going to be investing in. When you join EPS, you will be investing in the training, the tools. You'll also be investing in the website that we'll build for you, that will be built for you, and that's been tried and tested, so that you don't need to do a lot of the selling. Okay, the selling, like I said, 95% of the time is done on the website itself. Okay, and you basically rebuild that. You get that included when you join EPS. Okay, and again, that's what was for me compelling about the business. It's the reason why I joined the business, is because all I needed to focus on was how to promote the business. And for those of you that have subscribed to my channel will know, it kind of sounds like similar to affiliate marketing, right? You're selling or promoting goods or services for someone else, right? That's affiliate marketing. Except this business, you own it. All right. When you basically join EPS, all the materials that you are given, all the tools, you own it. The website that you get when you join EPS, you own it. It's been branded with your details, with your photo. It's your business, and that, again, for me, that's what was just beautiful about the whole thing. But I'm not gonna lie to you. What was even more great about this business model was the fact that I was getting paid directly into my PayPal account. When I was told that by the person that introduced me to the business, I was like, hold on a second, how is that even possible? How am I getting paid directly into my account? Well, it's quite simple. When you get your website, there will be some PayPal buttons on that website which are directly linked to your PayPal account. So when a referral or a prospect basically selects a product and they press payment, that 100% of that sale goes directly into your PayPal account. So if they purchase a £100 program, that's going straight into your account. No middleman, no filter, no percentage of commission. That 100% sale is going directly into your account, and you see that instantly. And that's what we use as payment proof. You may see, if you've been looking into this business, a lot of people posting out payment proofs. They're posting out PayPal notifications, they're posting out statements. It's a real business, guys. It's a real living business, and the earning potential is massive. I just can't express that enough. But you do need to put in the time and the effort. All right, you do. You need to put the time and the effort. Yes, it's not anywhere close to a full-time job. I used to work close to 70 hours a week. Okay, I don't put nowhere near that amount of time. All right, if I was to make it tangible, I probably put in less than 20 hours a week. But yeah, I'm generating more of an income than I did at my full-time job, which is nuts. It's just not, it just sounds nuts. Again, which, when you explain that to someone, they start thinking the whole thing's a scam. But it isn't. That really is how the business works, and that's the sort of earning potential that you can get once you become part of the business. Now, what I like to do when people join my team is that I want to make sure that they are giving all the support, that they are giving all the training, the coaching. I coach any team member to replicate everything that I'm doing, so they can replicate my earnings. And as long as you can do that, you will earn handsomely. And it's just as simple as that, really. Follow a process, follow the system, and you will get the rewards. And again, that's what's beautiful about this business, and this is the reason why I'm so passionate about this business. And you'd see if you're a part of my Facebook page, and as you start to see my YouTube channel, I'm so passionate about this business because I've seen the rewards in such a short amount of time. Again, I've only been part of this business for less than 2 months, but yeah, I've earned more than working 2 months at my full-time job. It's ridiculous, it's crazy. So that's basically how the business works. I hope you got a better understanding of how the business runs, and I hope you're making your own informed decision of whether you believe it's a real business or whether you feel it's something it's just not for you. And this business is not for everybody. Okay, it is for anyone that is willing to learn. It is for anyone that wants their own business. It is for anyone that is thirsty and hungry for success. That is what this business is for. It's for those type of people. If you are interested in this business, I'm going to wrap it up here now. If you are interested in this business, then make sure you check out my website, www.ollieace.ml. The link's going to be down below. I'm going to make sure it's basically somewhere on the screen, and be part of the team. It is a real business. If you have dreams of being able to spend more time with the family, if you have dreams of being able to work from anywhere in the country, just by using your smartphone. I use my smartphone 95% of the time, but you can use a laptop anywhere with an internet connection. This business is for you. It really is for you. And like I said, we will give you the coaching, the training, the tools to be able to get started and start earning potentially today. Alright, it is as easy as that. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found this video useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be kept up to date with all the videos that I'm uploading, and there are going to be a whole load more, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications icon, so that every time I upload a video, you will receive an update and you'll be kept up to date when I'm online. Anyway guys, I hope this video was useful. I hope you got massive value out of it, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care, stay blessed, see you soon.